Tired of staring at that expiration notice on your favorite Adobe Creative Cloud apps? Let's get you back in action. This tutorial will walk you through redeeming your Adobe Creative Cloud code, so you can dive back into creating. First things first, head over to the Adobe website, or open the Creative Cloud desktop application, locate and click on the Sign In or Sign Up button, depending on if you have an account. Next, sign into your Adobe account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Ensure that you are logged into your chosen Adobe account and that this account is tied to the Creative Cloud purchase. After signing in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner or somewhere visible. This should open your account overview page. Within your account overview, look for an option that says Redeem Code. It might be located under your plan details, or in a separate section devoted to codes or offers, or possibly your payment methods. Clicking this should take you to the redemption page. On the code redemption page, there will be a field where you can enter your provided redeemed code. Carefully type or paste your code and make sure you're entering it exactly as it appears, paying close attention to capitalization and any hyphens if there are any. After entering the code, confirm and redeem. Click the redeem button or similar to submit your code. A success message will appear. It will confirm that your code has been successfully redeemed and your subscription will be activated. Now, simply open your Creative Cloud applications and start creating with your renewed access. Congratulations!